Hi, this is going to be a short walkthrough video of the myLevelUP learning application. So this is the title screen. We wanted to go for a simple, clean look. The big, friendly start button for the kids and an unobtrusive button for the adults. In the top right corner there, the sun icon there, it flashed, it said settings. So I'm going to start there. So this is the administrator login page. Now if you haven't set up an admin login, it's very simple. You just click on create new. We'll create a new pin. We'll make it 0000 and submit. There you go, success. And I just touch there and go back, enter my pin 0000 and log in. So this is the admin menu. You have the words list, playlist, and settings, as well as the lockout timer and the time that it can be locked out from and to. So we'll start with the words list. So this is a list of all of the stock words that are available for each of the games. There's quite a few of them. You can edit them and add more words to them. So we'll try this one, edit banana. I'm going to go into my fridge here and grab a banana and add a picture. And take picture. There we go. Looks good. Save. There we go. Now I've got a custom picture of a banana. And save. And just as easy as that. And if you wanted to add a new word, you click on Add New. We can go like this. We'll go, say, Dad. We'll add a picture, and this time I'll press the switch camera button. Selfie, there you go. All right. Oh, looking great. Okay, so there's my beautiful mug. Press save. Good. And I'll add audio. Press record, say the word, and then press stop. Dad. There we go. Okay, and save. There you go. Dad was added successfully. And we will not add another word for now. But if I scroll down, you can see, there it is. Dad. You can go to edit it, and you can add more images if you want. Let's try and add another one. And this is part of the advantage of this app, is you can add multiple pictures per each word. So I can do an angry face. There we go. And maybe I'll do one surprised face. Good. Okay, so that's the words list. I'll show you the playlist. So what we have here, here is where we make the playlist that the child user will play through when they press the start button on the start menu screen. So I'll add a new item to the playlist, and these are the games that are currently available. So we have a word scramble game, flashcard, keyboard game, a counting game, and a choose reward. So I'm going to add a flashcard to start, and let's do cat. Save that. Okay, and let's add a word scramble. Let's also make it cat. And there's some options there on the left-hand side, difficulty and audio. Some of those have been implemented, some of them will be coming very soon. Here we go, and let's add a keyboard game. So for the keyboard game, I need to add more than one. So I'll add those ones. There we go. Actually, no, it's not the keyboard game I need to add more than one for. Keyboard color, that makes it, if you uncheck that, then it makes the keyboard black and white, and if you check it, it makes it color. So let's do one that's color, and I'll add one that's black and white. There we go. Okay, the counting game is the one where you need to have more than one item. and it takes the first item in the list of the current word list, as it takes this one here, cat. The first one in that list is the one that you have to find. And in the options here, there's a few options. I'm going to turn the hints on. I'm going to say collect 2, and the item max will say 8. And I'll save that. Okay. And now I'll add a choose reward, a web browser reward, and I'll set it to 1 minute, just for the demo purposes. There we go. Now we've got a basic playlist set up. If I wanted to, I could turn on the passcode, and this will stop your child user from playing through indefinitely. You can set the number of loops through the playlist that it'll do before a passcode comes up, a requirement for a passcode. So I'll put that up to 2. And you can see what happens. So I think we've got it all set up. Now I'll go to settings, and this is where we do a couple of things. First, I can enter the child's name, so I'll put in my son's name, Ben, and submit. Here we go, and the playlist. Now here you can enter any web link that you like and create a custom reward, and the reward will direct it to any web link that you like. For now though, we're just going to go with the ones that are built in. So I've got here a couple of YouTube playlists, a default YouTube playlist, the one for my son Ben, one for my daughter Hannah. There's a few for you to play with, and then if you have one set up, you could do a custom one. But we'll go with Ben's playlist for now, so I'll submit that. So it says on the bottom here, playlist set to Ben, child name set to Ben. Good. So I'll go home. And the last thing to show you here is on the bottom of the screen, the lockout time. So this is to stop your kiddo from playing too late or in the middle of the night or early in the morning. So I can set a lockout time. So I want to say it's going to be locked out from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. While I was developing this, there was a few times when I caught my son in the middle of the night with the tablet playing. So that's when we implemented this feature. There we go. So now you can see that the title has changed. Now it says Ben's Level Up. You see in the top right it indicated that's where the settings are in case you forget. Ben's Level Up. And now I'll play through. So press the start button, and here's the first one. This is the flashcard game. So it's a very simple word association.
Cat.
And there's a pause on purpose because you're trying to build word
Cat.
associations. Cat. So here's the word scramble game. If I drag the wrong letter to the wrong place, it'll just snap back, and that counts as an error. And that's all tracked in the background. And that's how we measure mastery over time.
T. Cat. Cat.
Okay, here's the keyboard game. So if I try and enter see that it gave a little hint of what the next letter is?
C.
Okay. So if I try and put in the wrong letter, it won't let me. It briefly flashes up, and depending on how many wrong ones I put in, it keeps on giving me little hints until I put in so many that it says, okay, this is the right letter. It's over here.
A.
Try some wrong letters. And a little hint.
T. Cat. Cat.
Okay, and here it is with a black and white keyboard.
C. A. T. Cat.
So we'll be adding all kinds of features that will make this more complex, and will increase the difficulty settings, all with the mind to teach your kiddo how to read and type with a keyboard. So here's a simple game that's just a counting game. Collect 2 cats. So I need to find where they are. And you can see here we've got multiple images. So there's 2 cows, right? There's 2 dogs, 2 donkeys. And the pictures are different, and that's on purpose because we're trying to generalize concepts and generalize word use. So there's 1 cat.
1.
And if I try the wrong one, it just snaps back. And if I keep on getting the wrong one, after a certain amount, it gives me a hint and it says, oh, it's over here.
2.
There we go. Okay, awesome. Choose your reward. And we've set up a YouTube playlist for a reward, so that's what it is. And we'll click that, and it brings us to YouTube. Now, this is my son's playlist. This is very simple. I created a playlist in YouTube. You can do this with a free account. You can create your own playlist and add videos to it. I have 87 videos. All his favorites are on here. So he likes trains, he likes musicals, he likes Elmo's World, all kinds here. And I'll
25.
And this is just the YouTube site, so it
20.
has all of the functionality of it.
15.
You can hear in the background the voice telling you how many seconds are
10.
left.
9.
So now we're on
8.
the final countdown.
7.
Normally you would
6,
set this to a longer
5,
countdown
4.
for the demo
3.
purpose,
2. 1.
just so you can see what happens. We set it to 1 minute. So there you go. Once the time is up, it loops back and starts at the beginning of the playlist again.
Cat.
And there's a different image every time it comes up.
Cat.
So again, we're generalizing word
A.
use and generalizing concepts.
Cat.
And really building strong word associations.
C. C. A. T. Cat. Cat. C. A. T. Cat.
Here's our counting game again.
1. 2.
'So that's how it works. You can see here, there's lots of options. You can set any YouTube video that you like in a YouTube playlist, and you can enter your own playlist into the custom field and make that the custom web browser reward.
30.
Again, this is early days with this app. We're still very much
25.
in development. That's why it's currently
20.
free on the app stores as we build out all
15.
of the usability features.
10. 9. 8.
The idea is you'll be able
7,
to create a
6,
YouTube playlist
5,
with your own
4,
child's favorite videos,
3,
or put
2,
in their favorite website
1.
That maybe has interactive games or things like that. So this is that passcode thing in the playlist. Now that we've gone through the playlist twice, it's saying please enter code to continue, and we'd have to put in our PIN, right? So this is to stop your child from just playing endlessly. You can set how long you want it to go for. So I'll enter the code. Our code was 0000. Okay, submit. And then it starts up again. I'll quit. Yes. There we go. So that's a brief overview of the myLevelUP app. Yeah, stay tuned for more. And we'll be uploading more videos as we add new features and new games. So stay tuned for more.